Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a circle arch. First, carefully unbox all the parts and lay them out. You'll typically find a sturdy base, several curved segments, and various connectors. It's crucial to select a perfectly flat and stable area for your arch to stand. Begin by assembling the base, making sure all screws are firmly tightened or locking mechanisms are securely engaged. This foundational step ensures your arch remains stable and safe throughout its use. Now let's connect the curved sections. Take the first curved piece and attach it to the base, ensuring the holes align perfectly for a snug fit. Continue this process, adding each subsequent curved segment one by one, gradually forming the circle. As you go, use the tools provided to tighten every connection point. This meticulous attention to detail will prevent any unwanted wobbling and ensure your circle arch is robust and secure. With most segments in place, it's time to complete the circle. Carefully bring the two ends together and join the final curved segment, forming a perfect circular arch. Once the full structure is assembled, take a moment to double-check every single connection point, from the base all the way to the top. For enhanced stability, particularly if your arch will be outdoors or supporting significant decorations, consider placing sandbags or weights on the base. This adds crucial ballast. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating your beautiful circle arch. Start with lighter elements such as sheer fabrics, balloons, or artificial flowers. Remember to distribute your decorations evenly around the arch to maintain its balance and prevent any potential tipping. Before anyone approaches or interacts with the arch, always perform a final stability check. A well-decorated and secure arch provides a stunning focal point for any event.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.